The realtors are the lifeblood of the community in a lot of ways. I really do believe that becoming a realtor first was probably one of the best things, and it made me such a better leader and such a better loan officer to truly understand what the real estate agent goes through.
Everybody that I've worked with, everybody that I've talked to has always been, easy to communicate with and very reachable. AJ and I are friends, and we've been working together for a long time, and this always makes me feel great that I can text AJ or I can call him, and he always responds.
We don't really work with listing agents all the time because we work with buyers, but why not work with listing agents? Why not try to help them sell their listings? So we do virtual tours for them. We have every kind of marketing that you can possibly imagine. We're always trying to find referral programs to give them leads when we get them. Trying to think outside the box and to find added value to everything that we do for our real estate agents.